Hello everyone. Till now we have seen how to use modules to uh, put together functions and various classes and use them in a very modular way into our programs. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to organize various modules into a package. Okay, so this is the directory where we are saving our programs. So just let's create a directory named my package. Okay, and we already have a module known as prog01, and let us try to use this same module into our package. So let's close this and let's move this prog01 into my package. Okay, now let's create a new Python file and save this file as __ init.py. It will automatically take it as init.py. Save this file. Okay, and here we go. Our package is already ready. Okay, so in the my package we have prog01.py and __ init__.py. So this is how we create a package. Now we can actually have multiple modules within the same package. You can try adding multiple modules in this package. Now let's see how to import this package into our programs. So now for that we need to create a new code file, and let's say import my package dot prog01 dot star. Okay, so this is gonna create this is going to import all the stuff from our package. Okay, so if you don't want to import all the stuff from the package and you want to call in each and every member individually, you can just say import my package.prog01. Okay, so now if you want to call anything in this program, just say def main. Let's write the code of main later on, and first have if name __ name __ equal to main. Okay, and just say main. Let's save it as prog04. Okay, and now let's say my package dot prog01 dot main. Okay, and now let's run this code. Okay, so now module prog01 is imported to the current module and created an object for class 01, created an object for class 02. So this is how we define and use a package. So now as you can see, we have something like my package. Okay, and now I can just see my sub package. Okay, so here we can have something like, we can even have init. Okay, and same prog01, we can copy it here. So let's create another code file. Let's name it as prog05. and edit it with ideally my package dot my sub package dot prog01. Okay, and let's say main. Okay, because prog01 module has got a main function, so we are going to use it in our current module. And let's run this code. Correct, so this is the output, this is the expected output, and this is how we use the packages and sub packages. So if you want to check the directory structure, let me browse through the directory structure again. Okay, so if you want to see it on command prompt, there is a nice command for it. So we have our program saved in modules and packages, and we just say the command tree. Okay, so now here we can have my package and my sub package. These underscore PyCache directories are automatically created by Python interpreter while when we execute the code. So do not worry about these directories. So whenever we create any package, we just need to have my package. I mean, we just need to create a directory and add an empty underscore init dot py file to that. And if you want to have further sub packages into that, create the directories corresponding to the names that you want to give to your sub packages, and add the empty init.py files, and add the other module file into those sub packages, so that you can actually arrange your code base. So this is how we create and use packages and sub packages in Python. This is a very simple example of using packages and sub packages in Python. Thanks a lot.